I just add a new file to Google Drive. I click the refresh on the dashboard and it instantly updates the numbers and charts. All of this is possible with Claude Cowork. And in this video, I will show you how to do it and how to share it with your team. My name is Nicolas. I've taught more than 50,000 finance professionals on how to use AI for finance, and let's get into the video. And the most important thing you need to do for this live artifact to work is connect your Google Drive via connector. Without this, the whole setup won't work. So what does a connector actually do? It lets Claude see your files directly, so it can pull information for them on its own. This gives us the possibility to turn any one-off task into automation, and it saves a huge amount of time. One important note about security, and I repeat this in every video, always keep your originals backed up and work on copies. You can also check what Claude is allowed to do if you go to Connectors and Google Drive. And only after the connector is active can you move on to actually building the dashboard. Let's imagine that we receive P&Ls from many countries on a monthly basis, and we need to build a convenient visual for tracking the metrics. Let's upload the files we already received to the dedicated Google Drive folder. Like this, we'll use this for our work. And as you can see, for the sake of this video, I name every file differently as if they would be made by real people. And we know that someone always gets lazy from time to time. So we'll address this problem in our prompt. Let's build a dashboard. We open a new chat and write the following prompt. I'm a CFO of a software company. I want to create a dynamic HTML dashboard for monthly P&L reports. And really important, you explain what should be inside the dashboard, like a monthly progress chart, the necessary P&L visuals, and the number for each country. Notice that I specified to Claude which Google Drive folder to use, and I also explicitly ask to take into account different structures of all the files and ignore the names and pull the information only from the data inside. This is crucial because file names can change. If Claude focuses on the names, then you have no flexibility. That means if somebody named their file differently next time, or if you add a new country, then Claude will not make the dashboard work. So really important to explain this in your prompt. And just like that, in a couple of minutes, Claude built this beautiful minimalistic dashboard, which would have taken us hours or days to create on our own from raw Excel data. By the way, notice that I haven't said a word about the design of the dashboard. Yet, it looks clean and exactly how I wanted it, with the right brand colors, the right font, and our visual style. This works because I've created a separate branding skill in Claude. It's automatically applied to any visual artifacts, even if I don't mention it in the prompt. This skill for branding is available for free, and you can find the link in the description. Let's see now if the numbers are correct. So I will check USA, January, net 3,456, and in Excel, same. Now let's see Germany, February, gross 12,811, and in Excel, same. Perfect. And my tip for you, if you want to verify, actually don't do it manually like I just did. What you can do is audit this dashboard with Claude. You just ask to show it to you, an audit, to make sure that everything matches. Like this, you can also document that on your own for your company or for anybody who is using the dashboard. Even though the dashboard is very pretty and insightful, we will have to build it every month from scratch, but not anymore, because let me introduce you to live artifacts. In the same chat, we tell Claude, now make it a live artifact, and then I give a lot of details about where is the information and how to access it. Because imagine diving into access settings every time something is uploaded. I just want the dashboard to pick it up and insert into the graphs. That's why I explain all of this in my prompt. Now, let's just hit send. While we wait for Claude to work on this live artifact, I want to invite you for my free masterclass this Tuesday on how to become an AI CFO. If you want to join, just click the link in the description. I count on you. If you work in finance, this is for you. Done! We see the dashboard is pinned, and that is because it's now a live artifact. We also now see the status live with the breakdown of where the data was collected from. Now, the moment of truth, let's add new files to our Google Drive and try refreshing the dashboard. So I'm adding the new files and I'm refreshing the dashboard. That's it. Everything works and it's just amazing that I could do that without code, without any IT specialist, without any BI team. Imagine the time you are going to save when you are going to do that. But the most important question remains: how do you share this dashboard with your team? I will be straight with you. Simply sharing a link is impossible at the time of making this video. This live artifact is exclusive to your own working environment. It can be shared like a regular document. So everyone who is going to need the dashboard has to create it on their own end, but not from scratch, because we ask Claude to write the system prompt for this artifact, which is essentially all of its logic and rules in a single block of text. And that's what we'll be handing off to the team, and of course granting access to the relevant folders. They can now simply copy the prompt or upload the file and hit send. Now let's make sure it actually works. So we upload the file, we hit send, we give it a bit of time, boom! It's identical to our own dashboard, and what's the most important is that the calculations are correct. It's amazing how much time you will save and how much value you will add to your company. Follow me if you found this video helpful, and remember, I invite you to join my free AI masterclass this Tuesday. Use the link which is in the description, and don't forget, robots are coming, so stay human.